Selena, class 10, chapter 14, equation of a line. Sum number 7, first part, the line y equal to 3x minus 2 bisects the joint of a3 and 2 minus 5. Find the value of a. The given line bisects the joint of let a equal to a3 and b equal to minus 2 5. So the coordinates of midpoint of AB will satisfy the equation of the line. The coordinates of midpoint of AB are a plus 2 upon 2, 3 minus 5 upon 2 equal to a plus 2 upon 2 minus 1. Substitute x equal to a plus 2 upon 2 and y equal to minus 1 in the given equation. We have y equal to 3x minus 2. Y minus 1 equal to 3. X is a plus 2 upon 2 minus 2. Minus 3 into a plus 2 upon 2 equal to 1. Minus 2 taken here plus 2. Plus 2 minus 1, 1. A upon 2 equal to 2 upon 3. A equal to 2 upon 3 minus 2 equal to 2 minus 6 upon 3 equal to minus 4 upon 3. Part 2. The line x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0 bisects the joint of 8 minus 1 and 0 k. Find the value of k. The given line bisects the joint of a 8 minus 1 and b k 0. So the coordinates of midpoints of AB will satisfy the equation of the line. The coordinates of midpoint of AB are 8 plus 0 upon 2 minus 1 plus k upon 2 equal to 4 minus 1 plus k upon 2. Substituting x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 1 plus k upon 2 in the given equation, we have x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. X equal to 4, so 4 minus 6, y is minus 1 plus k upon 2 plus 11 equal to 0. 4 plus 11, 15. Minus 6 taken to the right. So it will be plus 6 into minus 1 plus k upon 2 equal to 15. Minus 1 plus k upon 2 equal to 15 upon 6. Minus 1 plus k upon 2 equal to 5 upon 2. Cross multiply or 2 to get cancel. Minus 1 plus k equal to 5, k equal to 6. Sum number 8. First part, the point minus 3, 2 lies on the line ax plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Calculate the value of a. The given point minus 3, 2 lies on the line ax plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Substituting x equal to minus 3 and y equal to 2 in the given equation, we have a minus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Minus 3a plus 12 equal to 0. 3a equal to 12, a equal to 4. Part 2. The line y equal to mx plus 8 contains the point minus 4, 4. Calculate the value of m. Given the line y equal to mx plus 8 contains the point minus 4, 4. Substituting x equal to minus 4 and y equal to 4 in the given equation, we have 4 equal to minus 4m plus 8. 4m equal to 4. M equal to 1. Sum number 9. The point P divides the joint of 2, 1 and minus 3, 6 in the ratio 2:3. Does P lie on the line x minus 5y plus 15 equal to 0? Given point P divides the joint of 2, 1 and minus 3, 6 in the ratio 2:3. Therefore, coordinates of point P are 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2 upon 2 plus 3. Y coordinate 2 into 6 plus 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 3. P equal to 6 minus 6 plus 6 upon 5, 12 plus 3 upon 5. P equal to 0, 3. Substituting x equal to 0 and y equal to 3 in the given equation, we have left hand side equal to 0 minus 5 into 3 plus 15. Minus 15 plus 15 equal to 0 equal to right hand side. Hence, the point P lies on the line x minus 5y plus 15 equal to 0. Sum number 10. The line segment joining the point 5 minus 4 and 2, 2 is divided by the point Q in the ratio 1:2. Does the line x minus 2y equal to 0 contains Q? Given the line segment joining the point 5 minus 4 and 2, 2 divides point Q in the ratio 1:2. Therefore, coordinates of point Q are bisection formula 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5 upon 1 plus 2. Y coordinate 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 4 upon 1 plus 2. Q equal to 2 plus 10 upon 3, 2 minus 8 upon 3. Q equal to 4 minus 2. Substituting x equal to 4, y equal to minus 2 in the given equation, we have left hand side equal to x minus 2y equal to 4 minus 2 into minus 2 equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8, not equal to 0, not equal to right hand side. Hence, the given line does not contain point Q. Sum number 11. Find the point of intersection of the line 4x plus 3y equal to 1 and 3x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. If this point lies on the line 2k minus 1 into x minus 2y equal to 4, find the value of k. First, we will find the point of intersection. 4x plus 3y equal to 1. Let that be equation 1. 3x minus y equal to minus 9. Let that be equation 2. Multiply equation 2 by 3 so that y coordinates are equal. 9x minus 3y equal to minus 27. Let that be equation 3. Adding 1 and 3, we get 13x equal to minus 26. X equal to minus 2. From 2, y equal to 3x plus 9 equal to minus 6 plus 9 equal to 3. Thus, the point of intersection of the given line 1 and 2 is minus 2, 3. The point minus 2, 3 lies on the line 2k minus 1 x minus 2y equal to 4. Substitute x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3. 2k minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2 into 3 equal to 4. 4 minus 4k plus 2 minus 6 equal to 4. Minus 4k equal to 8. K equal to minus 2. Sum number 12. Show that the lines 2x plus 5y equal to 1, x minus 3y equal to 6 and x plus 5y equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 0 are concurrent. We know that two or more lines are said to be concurrent if they intersect at a single point. We first find the point of intersection for first two lines. 2x plus 5y equal to 1, x minus 3y equal to 6. Let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Multiply equation 2 by 2. We get 2x minus 6y equal to 12. Let that be equation 3. Subtracting 3 from 1, we get 11y equal to minus 11. Y equal to minus 1. From 2, substitute the value of y. X equal to 6 minus 3y equal to 6 minus 3. X equal to 3. So the point of intersection of the first two line is 3 minus 1. if this point lies on the third line, that is x plus 5y plus 2 equal to 0, then the given line will be concurrent. Substitute x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 1. We have left hand side equal to x plus 5y plus 2 equal to 3 plus 5 minus 1 plus 2. 5 minus 5 equal to 0 equal to right hand side. Thus 3 minus 1 also lies on the third line. Hence the given lines are concurrent.